No matter what variety of Wiha SoftFinish screwdriver you're using, you'll find that the tip is where the performance really shows. Whether you're working with our standard SoftFinish or our insulated SoftFinish screwdrivers, you'll find the most common professional screwdriver tips available in both lines. Wiha screwdriver blades are made of premium quality tool steel. Each of these blades is heat treated to balance strength and durability without becoming brittle. That's what gives you a long service life under real torque. Let's talk about machining, because that's what really matters when it comes to day-to-day screwdriver performance. Each Wiha screwdriver tip is precision machined to reduce cam out. All that means is that Wiha screwdrivers are less likely to strip your fasteners. You impart more torque directly to the head of the fastener and are less likely to slip when you're doing your work. I'm using this Wiha 30-piece benchtop stand to demonstrate all the different types of screwdriver handle sizes, lengths, tip profiles, among other things. We've got everything from this massive ball end magic ring hex key profile. Now this is a 10mm hex on a screwdriver, so you have the same hex shank, a lot of strength there. And of course, at some point, you may want to switch to a T-handle or hex key, but this gives you a lot of flexibility on screws that are under slightly less torque. And then you've got really tiny tip profiles as well, like our T9 insulated profile. Fantastic finesse and control on that one. And even the hard to find security Torx. This is the T25 security Torx. An insulated version of this screwdriver is going to be hard to find on its own at most retailers. We're proud at Wiha Tools to offer individual replacement components. You can get them at wihatools.com or at your favorite Wiha distributor. Whether it's a T25 security Torx, a square number 2, a Phillips 3, or anything in between, you can find individual Wiha SoftFinish screwdrivers at wihatools.com or at your favorite Wiha distributor. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from Wiha, tools that work for you.